You look kind of like lips. Hello. Hello. Hello, everybody. Welcome back, Space Engineers. I did some work on the center thing and the gravity and all that kind of stuff. Torchwing, get out of the way. Torchwing. So, I kind of like what I got. Let me know what you guys think. It kind of, reminds me of a power button, to be honest. Let's turn it on. Boop. Okay, it's not a button. But yeah, it looks kind of like a power button. At least I'm looking at one of my things. That's a circle with a line. And then a nice little glowy bit. Anyway, so yeah, this is what I got. It expands upwards, and there's some stuff up there, so we'll get to all of that here momentarily. So I essentially took the existing funnel. I chiseled out the existing connector, or collector, and made a 3x3 hole, and instead I put the collectors around the outside. And there are gravity generators, which you just saw one of them, right? So what that does, I think it's pulling. Should be pulling. Yeah, he's right here. So he just, actually, why don't we turn those on? Grav. And collector. There they are. So we can show those on HUD and gravity range. Okay, so those, they bleed out a little bit, but I don't think they'll cause any problems. And if we look up, you can see a nice little grid. So I think the gravity should be going diagonally that way. Let's find out. Sort of. Diagonally that way plus whatever vertical gravity is being introduced. So I think it's kind of going more at a diagonal than just like this way. But anyway, so yeah, stuff should go up there and then just get collected. And there's this nice window that we can't see through from this side, but we'll look down from the other side. I think I did this. I did all this stuff like a couple days or a few days ago. I'm having trouble remembering what I did. Upper shaft. So yeah, I added in this upper shaft gravity, or I changed the upper shaft gravity, and I added in another one down here. So part of the issue with cranking gravity fields up down below is I kind of have to crank it up here too. So I'm trying to limit how much I have to keep doing that, or I'll have to just keep upping the gravity. So, oh, let's turn those off. Gravity collector. So what I've done here is this guy's offsetting this stuff. So because these guys are pulling up, I think he pulls up at 0.45, he pulls up at 0.5 or something like that. This guy tries to negate all that, but still provides some upwards gravity. Like we got 0.6 here, so it's not too much. And then once we get out of him, it looks like we've gone up to 1.1, but now we're down to 0.1 again. So what that means is stuff here shouldn't keep accelerating too much. Now the spherical gravity generator, I think, bleeds up into this area. If I turn him on, spherical, there he is. You can see he's all the way up here, so we have to keep canceling his gravity. So he's got like 0.4 down, looks like, that we can see. But when we get into the shaft, it's 0.1 going the opposite way. So we're still negating the spherical gravity generator up here with this upper grav gen, but we don't have to negate the other stuff, if that makes sense. Good. Okay. If it didn't make sense, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm terrible explaining. I'm sorry. But yes, more about this. Okay, so I haven't completed it all the way around. I just kind of did the one face, and I started wrapping it around the other side. But I thought we could use the projector block to fully complete it, so I don't have to manually remember how to place the blocks in the correct spot. I've been working on my Ripley tunnel. Is that what should we call it? The Ripley tunnel? This looks really cool. Okay, I painted them the nice charcoal gray, but it leaves this stuff nice and accented. And then with the windows, it looks kind of cool too. However, all right, let's go up top. However, we used to have the reactors here in the center, and since I opened this up, we don't have them here anymore, obviously. So we just have this kind of 3x3 shaft with these diagonal windows. I thought they kind of looked cool instead of doing armor blocks. And then we can still see the reactors, which I decided to move right there. I don't know if we'll keep it all there. I mean, we eventually have to find a permanent power area with some large reactors, but for the time being we can keep doing this thing. And there's tons of room for expansion. I mean, we go all the way up and do that on all 4 corners. It does provide another neat effect, seeing the reactors. I like seeing the little green light. So that's what it could look like. We don't have to have the reactors go all the way up. We could have the reactors stop there. And if we do keep the reactors, it involves having all these conveyors. So I tried to hide the conveyors, and I think this looks okay. And if we kept going with this, this could be kind of our support. So I don't know if I do want to do the support here. I feel like it's kind of low, and it's going to close things in. So I think it might be better if this thing's hanging almost from the ceiling. And we could almost get it hanging from this, and this could just end up being a beam like these guys kind of thing, with the same similar look and structure. So I still got to get rid of that. So what we can do, because everything's a station again, if I want to project, I mean, I could keep it all together if I really wanted to. But I could take a blueprint of this, like so, which I think I already have, so I didn't really need to break that. That's what we could do, is break it, and then we could put it back. We could put it back now. But all I wanted was blueprint of just the center bit, so that... How did I lose parts? Or maybe it never had bulletproof glass. Yep, that's the case. So yeah, I don't want to get a whole blueprint of everything else, mainly because of performance. The game just kind of chugs along if I try to load up that big of a blueprint. So with this projector, I think I already have them on. Or not on, but set up. So if I turn them on, it should create this guy. Yeah, so then I could continue welding around. That doesn't actually do too much performance-wise. Yeah, so if we like it, it shouldn't be too easy to flesh it out. And we could do that before fleshing out the rest of the base, because that's relatively easy to do. And I still got to get rid of those, but I do occasionally still use them just because they are quicker on occasion, depending on how much I have to do. Okay. So Torchwing, I got to really make up some new blueprints. He's got an issue. I broke his cargo container. Oh, not that one. You know when we redid those reactors? Well, he broke his cargo container. The blueprint has it orientated back the other way, so when it got put on, it got reorientated that way. What that means is those new reactors, I think they're still there, but they no longer have a conveyor access. So I gotta change that, and yeah, update his reactors. And there's another blueprint I need to update, and I should have updated it. And that's Molar's. So Molar did some good work. While I was doing this, he was mining away, and this thing was actually collecting the whole time. I kind of reworked it while it was collecting ores. So that worked out quite well. Our iron supply was up. I hope it's still there. I did make some things. We don't have any iron ore, I don't think. Oh no, there's still some in the... No, there's no overflow, but there's some still being processed. Ingots. I think we have some in our cargo. Yeah, we have 381, so that's a decent amount. I mean, it probably wouldn't take too long to get rid of all that. Oh, look at that. We don't have much gold. Yeah, we do. Well, that's not a lot. I could. I don't... All my refineries are kind of on manual mode, and I just loaded them all up with platinum. But I could... Do we have gold? Oh, yeah. Gold! Oh, you're really full. Why don't I do... Whoop. Let's put a couple of these on gold. Maybe get rid of the overflow. So we have a large cargo container completely full of gold ore. Not for long. There we go. And duplicating drills. Blast. So yeah, Molar did a good job. Right up until he destroyed himself. Let's go take a look. I didn't see this happen. It just happened. When I noticed that... Oh wait, we're really low on energy. Yeah, we can make it down there. So I noticed that because I had him set to go for... You can see him. He's still there. So he's not completely gone. Actually, I can't remember how bad he is. So I had him going for an hour. So usually I have this set to like 5 minutes. I let him go for an hour. Same with the grab ball. Had them both going for an hour. I don't think he lasted the hour though. He died. And I don't know the reason. Oh, wow, I didn't even see that antenna. That's how you take out your eye. In real life, is you walk right towards something like that, and whoop! No eyeball. Okay, so upping the gravity in here has, I think, the other side effect of being able to move Molar around. Where are you? Molar, Molar, Molar. Bing! Yeah, being able to move him around, right? It might prevent him from rotating if an ore is stuck in a certain way and trying to be pulled towards here, and he's trying to rotate. So I don't know if that happened. You can also see he kind of dug himself in somewhere. Molar, where's your hole? How'd you get there? Are you over here? Ha! Oh, he might have... Is this your hole? Nope. Interesting. I did see him. I know there's a way to get to him. Man, it's dark. Uranium. No, I'm pretty sure I have to go... Pretty sure it's through here. Oh, right there. Maybe. Ah! There he is. Actually, you don't look that bad. You don't look bad at all. Well, you don't look great. Let's just put it that way. And you lost your face. You have no face. Oh, I'm gonna die. That's right. I forgot about the whole death thing. Be right back, Molar. Gotta go charge. Energy. I know. You don't have to tell me. I was just talking about it. There we go. Okay, so let's try to get Molar out of there. Let's see if he has his other camera. So he lost... Oh, no, he lost both of those. He has... Well, this one's... What's this? We could fly backwards, maybe. Let's try that. Remote. Reverse. I'm still controlling him, aren't I? There we go. Reverse. Then we could use his rear camera, which I assume he has. Which one is which? No idea. And last episode, I accidentally set one of those to on Tortwing. I did fix it, in case you caught that. Okay. Grab ball, I guess. How do we get out of here? So it'd be easier if I could spot. There's a hole. That might be the hole, actually. I see, oh man, we're slow. I see nickel. So I'm hoping we can get him back up to the repair bay and repair him. He's spinning. Why are you spinning? I'm not telling you to spin. This doesn't... Is this the way out? Okay, let's leave him there for a second. Let's go do a spot check. So today's episode is about rescuing Molar and apologizing to him. Sorry, Molar. Sorry. Oh, that's way bigger than it looked like it was on camera. Okay. Back into there. We should probably keep going in reverse. Or we could move one of the cameras. Oops. I think he only has like one thruster. And I think I might have just smashed it. Wait, hang on. Let's see. He's not moving backwards anymore. He's got one. He's got one. Brilliant. Why don't we steal one? Oh, there's that camera. Wow. You even lost your projector? Where was your projector? Wasn't it like right back? Oh god, heavy armor. So yeah, it looks like he lost his projector, unfortunately. So I'll have to put that back on manually. Okay, there's the ore detector. Where was it? Was it behind that? Where was your projector? Might have been right here. Oh, I don't remember. We could load up his projector on like Tortwing or his blueprint and try to see where it is. But anyway, I grind off some thrusters, so we could maybe throw those back and give him a little bit more maneuverability. Oh yeah, can't reach you from there, but I can phase through the drill bits. Please, phase through, phase, more phasing, twisting, rotate. Okay, I know I've hit you before. Lost! I have done this before. Don't make me take a drill off. Oh, so close. No, still highlighting the drill. Maybe there wasn't a drill there. So close. So close. And now there's asteroid in my way. Oh, 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 oh. We got it. Yes. Da-da-da. Grab ball. There you are. Homeward bound. So hopefully we can fit up through this hole relatively easy. We did kind of widen it the other day. Not a lot, though. Let's not fly into the antenna. Man, it's still hard to see with this camera. I don't know where I'm going. Where's the hole? Shouldn't it be here? Is that the hole? No, that's a little crevice. Are you the hole? No, you're the cave. Shouldn't it be right here? Where's... grab ball? Oh, wow. I was way off. This way. Think we're looking right at it. Yep. Okay. So hopefully we can just gently fly our way up here and bounce. I gotta remember that the camera's not exactly in the center of the ship either. So I shouldn't try to position myself in like the center of the hole. Well, it's going much better than I anticipated. How's our energy doing? We're at 50. Okay, so we're good. So what should we do? We have to manually put back on his projector. So let's get up to Tortwing, I think. I want to see where his projector used to be. That way, if we put it back, everything else should be put back in the same spot as well. Now, there is the issue because his blueprint's outdated, but I don't think there's much that's in the wrong spot except all the ejectors he used to have. Let's just go up to the platform, so we'll move Tortwing up there too. Okay, so if we take Tortwing and use his projector to project Molar, I mean, we could try to line him up with Molar and then do it that way, but I won't bother that. What am I doing? It's not remote into Tortwing. I am in Tortwing. Projector. Alright, so let's change one of these guys. So grinders, let's change you to... Oh, this looks different. Molar. Molar drone. Molar single player. Whoa, what happened there? Don't change things on me. Oh, that's the old molars. Must be this one. Okay. So let's use that. And then... Where is he? Oh, he's already behind us. Perfect. Alright. Now we can just fly inside him. And scope him out. Okay? Find the projector block. Alright, let's get a landmark. Let's get the camera. Okay, there's the camera. Let's fly into the camera. Okay, there's that ore detector. If we go into the ore detector, that's a gyro. Oh, it's right there. It's right at the tip of the ore detector. And then inside, it looks like we probably lost maybe some gyros. So let's go take a look. Molar. Hi. Okay, so the projector block should be right here. I think. Right there? Yeah, I think right there. I guess that's not really all that protected. Alright. And then it looks like, yeah, indeed, we lost some gyros. That's a pain. I think I'll load up the gyro, or load up the blueprint to maybe manually do those gyros. Because otherwise they're going to take forever anyway. And I might as well do them while I can see them. Everything else looks to be okay. Okay, so what do we need to make a projector block? I don't think they're that expensive. Computer, motor, steel tube. Okay. So let's go ahead and put him back. I believe we wanted him rotated the right way, though. So like that. Nope. Yep. Is that right? Plus on top still? Yeah. Oh, wait. What's his top? Is that his top? Yes. That's his top. Okay. And I'll have to get some parts. Or we could just bring Molar in and he can do a little spot weld. Throw those parts in there. I was like, he's pulling something. Oh, God. Bad idea. Abort. No, it's okay. We could turn that blueprint off. There we go. I think we're kind of done with it. Okay, good job. And give that a weld. I do love having the blueprints. This would be such a pain to repair him otherwise. You look cool, Muller, but you're not really all that practical, and yeah. He's not bad, all things considered. In terms of function versus style, I think he's a good mix. Okay, so now we should be able to go into Muller, projector, and load up his blueprint. And then I'm going to have to line it up because there's no way it's going to be right. Oh wow, everything's in my way. Torchwing. Move. Alright. Now the reason I want to use the blueprint... Oh god, the game froze for a second there and I thought I hit something. Maybe I did. The reason I want to use the blueprint to put the gyros back in is because at least one of them was override, I think. And that way I don't have to redo the settings for it or anything like that. Okay, got another hiccup. Which... It's hard to tell which way's up. Oh, I guess the camera tells me. So he's currently upside down. So we have to rotate him around and then move him up. I could do that by setting up a hotbar. Maybe I'll use... Can I do that in Torchwing? Let's see here. I could do it in the remote control. Oh, something's losing power. Is it the base? Is the base out of power? Oh yeah, it is. Look. The reactors are off. That's what's freezing. Okay. I know. Please stop doing that. Timer. Reactor. Stage 1. Oh no, I moved it. Stage 1. Trigger now. And they're pulling in some more uranium. Good. Good. So yeah, sorry. We should be able to do it this way, I guess. If we just remote into him, we can use one of his toolbars. We could use one of his toolbars. What are you? Stage 1? Okay. I'll set up a bunch of the blueprint stuff here, and then we can rotate them and whatever. Okay. Let's see if that's enough. I did the roll. I think that's the one we want, to roll it around. Perfect. Sure wish I was closer. Perfect. Sure wish I was in a different location. Perfect. Okay. And now the other ones I'm just going to mess around with. Okay, so we got to go backwards. And then we got to go up. Ooh, wow. I mean, I totally didn't guess. Flawless execution. That looks actually pretty good. Is that right? I think so. Alrighty. So, let's go in by hand first, maybe. So that's the projector, which means it's not in the right spot because it wants to put a new one. Well, what was there then? How did I screw that up? Oh well, he's gonna have 2 projector blocks. I'm trying to think what was there instead. It might have been a sensor. Or it already had a sensor in the middle, isn't it? Yeah, it does have one back there. Is the projector not in the exact right place? It's not. Okay. Ahaha. That's the problem. It has to move up one. Good thing I didn't weld. Were we in forward or reverse? We were in forwards. And which one was up? Not that one. Yeah. Okay. Better. Better. Now you're in the right spot, so now we have to put something here. Where's the gyros that we're missing? Alright, screw it. I know for sure the repair bay is not going to get any of this stuff in the middle, so let me just position molar and hopefully weld all that up. Good job. Alright, so we'll let him do that. We'll get him to do the center part. And then we'll try throwing him into there. We are running low on time, so I'll try to hurry up. So, Wipley tunnel. Ripley tunnel, I mean. Wipley! Wipley! No. Our Ripley tunnel. So you can see down there, I think it looks cool, so that was a good idea. This projector block might not remain there because it is kind of in the way visually. So it might be better if we can see all the way down. Oh look, we can see the reflection. They're still kind of wonky, the reflections. They kind of work. They kind of don't. And they move. I saw you move. So yeah, unfortunately we can't show this working because Molar decided to die on us. But yeah, whatever we put up here, this might be our computer room area. I don't know. That's where we could put all those timer blocks, and it could be the permanent home of a projector block. Maybe the projector block could be in this room, but hanging from the ceiling, so it's above you, so you can still walk below it and see everything, but it's still in the center of the build. And then somewhere we have to put conveyor tubes going up. So if I do make this thing connected at the roof, I will probably get rid of this conveyor line and put it somewhere else. I also wanted to work on the slab, but we'll have to do that another day. Alright, how are you doing, Molar? Yeah, he's still going. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll work on the slab while Molar's doing that, and we'll come back. So that's going to take a while. Okay. Oh, I need interior plate. Lost. Alright, I did some work here on the slab, and I believe Totwing has finished with Molar. So let's go take a look at that, and load him up, and say goodbye. Give me stuff, please. So yeah, this is a slab. So far. If you imagine just a flat slab, there'll be, of course, other things on the slab to make it a bit more detailed. Probably some more beams coming up out of the top part here or something, going all the way to the roof. Not sure. Threw in some lights for some details. Keep the conveyor here for now until we get a better place to place it. So yeah, I was thinking of maybe putting windows here. I was going to put like an accent block, like just an armor block. I guess I don't have the material. Put an armor block here and just color it. But how far can we get up before the steel plates? Can we finish it visually? We can. Good. And then we could do either like the green or the white, perhaps. I guess this isn't even the dark gray, which is probably best. We probably don't want it to be the same color as the beams, I would think. But green or white would probably look okay. No, don't have enough interior plates for that one. Okay. How's that look? Well, that might be nice. Definitely accent. Brightens it up. And it might be cool to be able to see a little bit in here, because you might see the odd conveyor or what have you. So it might be cool from an industrial kind of point of view. Okay, so yeah, Tortwing has finished, I think. He's not welding anymore, at least. I wonder... Oh, I just turned him off. That's not why he's not welding. Oh, damn, he's welding. I did move him a little bit. So there might be something he's still able to get at. But I think we could do some spot welding after the fact, so hopefully I can get in there from, like, the top angle, I think. And get in there if I need to. Maybe. So let's just plop him down onto our lift and let him be taken in there. Alright, Molar. Let's go remote control forward. Still doesn't have the camera. That's interesting. I would have thought that would have come back once he put it back. Unless it's still not completely repaired. Which could be the case. But anyway, we have the bottom one, which is actually quite useful, I find. It's probably the most useful one. And we need to rotate all the way around. Whee! I think. Oh no. There's... What's going on? The platform's backwards. Aha! That's what's going on. Landing. Rotor. Let's just reverse it, so I'm not confused. Doesn't really matter. Other than if you had a ship that would maybe hit the thing. Okay, back to... Oh yeah, look at how crooked we are. Whoops. We do not look very centered, I tell you. Let's try to line him up perfectly. So he's in the connector, all pretty. Up. My controls are backwards. I should be using the other one. The other remote control. I think that's pretty good. We could back up. Looks like we could turn a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Either way, it's bad. Is there anything for this to actually lock onto? I guess is the question. I notice I'm looking at a hologram. Nope. Okay, let's okay. Molar. There's no reason you can't spin around. Okay. That shows how off-center he is, too, when we rotate him. Okay. Oh, we're gonna lock. Hopefully. I see stuff happening. The light's on. I think I need to... Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What do I need to do? Which way is... We're not stuck yet. I think I have to back up. Which I am trying to do. But I think I'm hitting something. There we go. Lock. Tell me you're broken. Fly up is not fly up, though. It's fly left. Okay, something's going wrong. Oh, wait. I know what's going wrong. He's facing the wrong way. For one. Oh, grad. Let's see here. This is incredibly difficult, because he's on his side. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Backup is still backup. Okay. Nope. Stop getting stuck on things, please. Okay, now fly down. What a pain. Oh, Lord. Down. I'm trying to use mostly the keyboard to do this, so I don't goof. There we go. Ha. That was easy, guys. Piece of cake. Oh, God, he's crooked. I don't know if this is gonna hit. Doesn't look like it. Nope. Oh, yeah. Way off. Damn. No problem. No problem. Try again. Let me get this lined up. Okay, let's try again. He's pretty lined up, it looks like. Do it. It's closer. It's still gonna miss, isn't it? Oh no, it got him. Yes. It's not perfect. But we're not looking for perfect. Hello. I don't think the... What happened? Stage 3. What are you supposed to do again? Stage 3 auto. I don't think the sensors went, by the looks of it. Oh, they must be like just shy. Sensor. Stage 3. Can I just increase them a little bit? Wait, I don't want back. I want bottom. I go 1.5. Okay, what if I just back Molar up? That's probably the easiest thing. First I gotta unlock him. I don't think that actually happened. Look at this thing work flawlessly every time. Okay. Molar. Remote. Back. Alright, that's not fly up. There we go. Oh wait, I shouldn't have done that. Oh. Damn! I manually locked it, which caused it to unlock. You fool! Well, third time's a charm. Alright, this time I'm skipping this part. I will just manually trigger it. Hopefully he doesn't get hit. He's probably gonna get hit. Oh. Don't do that. Now I've done it. Oh god. Oh, it didn't trigger the Molar. Damn! Just can't win. Far enough back this time, Molar? Gonna cooperate? This is really... Because when I'm flying down right now, I'm actually flying right. So it's very confusing. You better work. I don't see the light triggering. Sensor's off. Probably because I skipped that step, so now I got turned back on. Yay! Don't worry, this time it has to succeed. Why? I don't have a reason why. Oh god, no. The pistons. No. Molar, Oh god, it didn't connect. Oh, thank god. I panicked. It's like, what should I do? Should I grind away the connector? Should I make sure that one doesn't connect? I think yeah. I triggered, a stage out of sequence, I think. 4 times the charm. No, wait, we're at like 6th. 17th times the charm. Stay tuned. Perfect. Don't you rotate. I don't want you to rotate. Stop rotating. Please work. Please don't be crooked. You look low. You're gonna be low, aren't you? Don't be low. Don't be low. Welders are out. Connectors level. Oh god, it's gonna work. Oh, thank god. I don't think the sensor's triggered again. Son of a... It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Everything is good. I'm still controlling you, apparently. There we go. Don't hit the lock button. It will do it. Good job, me. Alright. Muller, you'll be as good as new in no time. Maybe. Do it. Rotate out of the way so the welders can't put your drills on. That's perfect. Alright, guys. Well, I'm going to say goodbye. I'll leave him here until he's no longer welding, and then I'll try to rotate him 90 degrees and do it again. Bye-bye.